Welcome back to our channel. If you're wondering which fruits are your best friends and which are foes when managing diabetes, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the world of fruits to reveal the top 5 fruits you should include in your diet and the 5 you should steer clear of if you're diabetic. Whether you're looking to control your blood sugar or simply eat healthier, these tips are essential. Before we begin, we would really appreciate if you take a moment to like this video and hit that subscribe button to encourage us to keep producing this fascinating health-based content for you. First up, we'll explore the top 5 fruits that are not only safe, but highly beneficial for diabetics to include in their diet. These fruits are packed with nutrients and have properties that can help regulate blood sugar levels. So, get ready to discover some tasty, diabetes-friendly options that you can enjoy guilt-free. Number 1. Strawberries. If you're battling diabetes, strawberries are a fantastic fruit to include in your diet. Rich in antioxidants and packed with polyphenols, strawberries help regulate blood sugar levels. A study conducted in 2017 revealed that the polyphenols found in strawberries can significantly increase insulin sensitivity in diabetic patients. Improved insulin sensitivity helps your body regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. By incorporating strawberries into your regular diet, you can enjoy a sweet treat while also working towards bringing your blood sugar levels to a healthier range. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some strawberries. Number 2. Apples. You've heard the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." But did you know it can also help keep diabetes at bay? Apples are packed with high fiber content, averaging about 5 grams per apple. The soluble fiber in apples plays a crucial role in managing diabetes by slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. A 2022 study found that eating an apple before a high-carb meal, such as rice, significantly reduces the spike in blood sugar levels compared to eating the meal without an apple. So, make sure to add this versatile fruit to your daily routine. An apple a day can truly make a difference in managing your diabetes. Number 3. Pomegranates. Pomegranate is a powerhouse when it comes to managing diabetes, and both its seeds and arils offer impressive health benefits. Pomegranates are loaded with antioxidants and bioactive components like elagitannins and anthocyanins. These compounds help reduce inflammation in the body and increase insulin sensitivity, crucial for managing diabetes. Pomegranate seeds are rich in fiber, which helps prevent the fast absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. A 2019 study found that drinking 200 milliliters of pomegranate juice daily significantly relieved hypertension in type 2 diabetic patients. This means that incorporating pomegranate into your daily diet can help reduce diabetic symptoms and promote overall health. So, whether you enjoy it as a juice, in a salad, or just on its own, pomegranate is a delicious and effective way to help manage diabetes. Number 4. Oranges. Oranges are incredibly beneficial when it comes to managing diabetes. With a low glycemic index of 43, oranges do not cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Research shows that consuming fruits with a low glycemic index can help control diabetes over time. Oranges are also packed with antioxidants and contain naringenin, a polyphenol that has been proven to help alleviate diabetic symptoms. Incorporating oranges into your diet can provide a delicious, nutritious way to help manage your blood sugar levels and improve your overall health. So, grab that glass of orange juice and enjoy the taste without worrying about a sugar spike. Number 5. Berries. Berries, such as raspberries, cranberries, and blueberries, can do wonders for managing diabetes due to their ability of glycemic control. Packed with fiber, antioxidants, and flavonoids, berries help control blood sugar and post-meal insulin levels. A 2022 study found that consuming blueberries and cranberries can aid in long-term sugar control. Additionally, research has shown that eating berries can prevent the development of type 2 diabetes, hypertension, and even cancer. So, for your next snack, reach for a handful of berries and benefit from their anti-diabetic properties. Now let's shift gears and talk about the 5 fruits that diabetics should stay away from. While fruits are generally healthy, some can cause significant spikes in blood sugar levels due to their high natural sugar content. These seemingly innocent fruits might be delicious, but they can wreak havoc on your diabetes management. It's crucial to know which ones to limit or skip to keep your blood sugar stable. Stick around as we uncover the top 5 fruits that diabetics should steer clear of for a healthier, more balanced life. Number 1. Bananas. Known for their numerous health benefits, bananas are packed with sugar and carbohydrates, which can be problematic if you're trying to control diabetes. Fully ripe bananas have a glycemic index of 62, which can cause a spike in blood sugar levels. On average, a banana contains 17 grams of carbohydrates and 15 grams of sugar. However, being diabetic doesn't mean you have to give up this tasty fruit entirely. Green bananas contain lower sugar content and more fiber, making them a better option even if you have diabetes. The fiber content in unripe bananas help reduce blood sugar spike, balancing the effect of sugar content. So, it's important to watch your portions and choose less ripe bananas when you want to enjoy this fruit. Number 2. Mangoes. This tasty tropical fruit might be a favorite, but it can contribute to high blood sugar levels due to its high sugar content. In fact, 90% of a mango's calories come from sugar. 1 cup of mango contains 23 grams of sugar and 25 grams of carbohydrates, making it a sensitive choice for diabetics. However, with a glycemic index of 51, mangoes can be enjoyed in moderation. It's important to be mindful of portion sizes. For those aiming to lower their sugar intake, avoiding mangoes can be a safer option. Number 3. Pineapples. While rich in antioxidants and minerals, pineapples are high in carbs and sugar, making them a risky choice for diabetics. 1 cup of pineapple slices contains about 30 grams of carbohydrates, and a cup of pineapple juice can have up to 32 grams of carbohydrates. Canned and preserved pineapples often contain even more sugar due to added syrup. The glycemic index of pineapples can vary, reaching as high as 65, further complicating their consumption for diabetics. Although pineapples can be enjoyed in controlled portions, it's best to avoid them if you're dealing with high blood sugar. Number 4. Watermelons. This refreshing, juicy fruit is a summertime favorite, thanks to its high water content of about 90%. However, if you have diabetes, you might need to reconsider your choice. Despite its hydration benefits, watermelon is also high in sugar and carbohydrates, with 1 cup containing about 10 grams of each. With a glycemic index as high as 72, watermelon can cause significant spikes in blood sugar levels. If you're craving the freshness of watermelon, it's essential to practice portion control and pair it with other low-carb foods to maintain balance. Number 5. Grapes. While grapes are nutritious and packed with multiple vitamins and antioxidants, their high sugar content can be concerning for diabetics. A 126-gram serving of grapes contains about 23 grams of carbohydrates and 20 grams of sugar, making them a potential culprit for spiking blood sugar levels. With a moderate glycemic index of 50, grapes do provide fiber, but they should still be eaten in balanced portions to avoid triggering blood sugar spikes. We hope you enjoyed discovering which fruits can be your best friends and which ones to approach with caution. Remember, living with diabetes doesn't mean saying goodbye to all your favorite fruits. It's about making smart choices and enjoying them in the right portions. By choosing the right fruits, you can keep your blood sugar levels stable and still savor the sweetness of life. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.